Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome. Today's newspaper. In the additional, we have 5 Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. And in the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 20th, 2020, we will start first with the Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started with the first Sudoku. Alright, I see here in the last row 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 here, so no 9 and a 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then the 3 missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 2, 3, and 2, 3, and a 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. The 6 goes here, and the 2 goes here. And now, 3 missing numbers in the first column. The missing numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 7. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. The 7 and the 8. The 7 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 1 place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. And then, how about the 2 in this column? A 2 in the first column, so the column between, the second column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see with the other number. How about the 4? 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And now the noun, no. Now the 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. In the second row for the numbers 8 and 9, we have a 9 here. or there 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. These two numbers left for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. That means we have an 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in the third row for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. How about the 7, 5, 3. These two numbers in the middle column, the missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 6. How about these two numbers in the second column, the missing number 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 5. Then these two numbers should be the missing numbers 8 and the 6, because we have an 8 and a 6 here, so no 8 and a 6 in those two boxes. So the 8 and the 6 should be here. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Those other numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 3 goes there. Then these two numbers, the missing numbers, the 5 and the 9 are missing. I marked them, 5 and the 9. One number left in this column for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 we have 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 4 here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then how about the number, these two numbers, the missing numbers 7 and 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and 8. How about these three numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. The 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. So 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. One number left in the first column for the number 8. One number left in this big square for the number 7. Two numbers left, yes, in this column for the number 7 and 8. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. I cannot fill this yet, 3 and 5, need to wait. How about these two numbers? This 1, 2, the 3 and the 9. The 3 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 8. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes, alright, for a Sudoku with a 1 star. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional a Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you and bye-bye.